is my day 3 here in Bangkok. Bale, ito na yung last day ko dito sa Bangkok. Kasi tomorrow ng morning ay pupunta na ako sa Cambodia. Diba? Super exciting. Char. Quick breakfast lang to. Tapos pupunta na ako ng Central World Hag Thai. Yun kasi yung meetup place going to floating market. Tapos, basta papakita ko na sa inyo mamaya. Then, ilalagay ko yung mga location ng mga pupuntahan namin. Dito na tayo sa Central World sa meetup place. Cool!
Hold the name, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Salamat. Salamat.
Salamat!
Let's do hello. Because you are the real. On your chat there.
Thank
It's my
you.
name. Okay. Then this one and N. Japanese language. That is not Catholic. Kapapa.
Yeah, it's just for the birthday. It's 8 0.
So guys, dito na sila Ena. Mga naligaw na Google Maps.
And Google Maps tricked us.
Not already.
Ang lapit na nila kanina sa Central World. Nandun lang sila sa shrine. Tapos napunta sila dun sa MBK Mall. Pakalayo.
At least
Ay.
the place they got they pick up us. What's up? The bus.
Coffee shop. This the meeting place. The train will pass by this way 10 past 11. And the train station is there. Half past 11, the train will go back by this way. So meeting place here is 11:45. Yeah? 11:10. 10:10 ส่งเลยปะส่งเลยปะ
So guys, pag nandito kayo, tapos nandito na yung train, dapat di kayo lalagpas dito sa red line. Okay? Dapat gilid na gilid.
Now you happy hour. Be sure where is the careful, huh? Careful. Mobile phone and your wallet must be very careful. Okay, now you happy hour.
Okay, thank you,
Photo, whatever.
Tom.
You know what time?
Yeah,
Sure, huh?
11:45.
Control your friend.
Yeah, I will. Hi everyone. We're here at the railway market. Yan. Sobrang dami ng tao. And ang sikip nito, mas masikip, parang mas masikip to kaysa sa Hanoi kasi yung mga tolda pa, nakikita nyo yan. Tapos aalisin at tutupiin ata nila yan once na dumating na yung train. Ang daming tao. Palengke siya, palengke talaga, as yung market. So yung mga, pwede ka naman rin bumili dito ng mga souvenirs and everything. Tapos pwede kang kumain. Pero ang gulo, ang daming tao. Kailangan ko magpupusit. Wait lang, babalik ako. Magpupusit pa tayo hanggang dulo. Punta pa tayo hanggang dulo. Hanap tayo ng pwesto natin.
Ang magandang pwesto.
Oo. Hanap lang kami ng pwedeng maupuan. Go. Oo. Nakita niyo ba yung cute little bangs ko? Di ba? Mga sisiw. Cute. May ganyan sa atin eh. Look at this, guys.
อันนี้ for man look อันนี้ for man ด้วย for man for man
For men.
เด็ดเพราะผู้หญิงไม่มีอะวะนี่มูเมนแล้วมูเมนมูเมน
Sobrang dami ng tao.
It is.
Tapos na namin here.
The camera.
Pala na record. So guys, we're here at the railway station, railway market. Pwede kayo mag-market dito at the same time, makikita nyo rin yung train na dadaan. Pwede kayo mag-photo or video. Parang same lang na sa train street ng Hanoi, pero ito market siya, kaya daming tao, sobra. So, pwede na rin kayo bumili ng souvenirs and everything. Tapos, magmi-milk tea lang kami. Magta-time milk tea lang kami. Then, pag 11:10 na, lalabas na lang kami dun for the photo or video para makita namin dumaan. Pakita namin sa inyo. So guys, this is my first time milk tea here in Thailand. So good. Pero mas masarap pa rin yung mga, pag may nakita kayo dito sa Bangkok, na mga nakabike lang na nagbebenta ng Thai milk tea or ng coffee, mas masarap yun. Iced coffee. Mura na, mas masarap pa yun. Pero ito, 80 baht. Okay na din, masarap kasi. Pero mas masarap talaga yung yung mga nasa streets lang. Yung last punta namin dito, parang sa harap namin may nagbebenta ng ganun. So, mayat maya iced coffee and Thai milk tea kami. But this one is so good. Yeah, look at the situation here. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, diba? Daming tao. Girl. Hi. So maraming tao. Kala namin makapag-picture kami sa gilid. Ayan na, nagagawin. Bawal ka lumagpas ng red line. Tsaka may nilalagay silang tali para hindi ka lumagpas. Hi! So, ayun guys, darating ko dito yung isa pang train, pabalik naman. Ayan ginagawa nila pag darating na yung train. Kanya-kanyang ligpit na yan. Sa parating na ulit yung train. So, ayan, may nakita akong bakal dito na pwede kong pagdikitan na itong Osmo Pocket. Kaya natin kung makikita ang atin. Bagal lang ng train dito, unlike sa Hanoi, na sobrang bilis at nakakatakot habang nagkakape ka. Pero mas okay ito kasi safe, lalo na dami talagang tao dito sa gilid-gilid. And ang daming tourists na gusto mag-picture. Mas safe siya kaysa sa Hanoi. Hey guys, here's the train. Yan. We're going to our van. Tapos na kami sa railway market. Then, papunta na kami ngayon sa floating market. Sakay na ulit kami ng van, tapos, yun, punta na kami sa next stop. So, we are now in floating market. Tapos, pababa na kami.
Oh,
Here is there.
oh, I went before, so it's okay.
Then, dito na sasakay ng boat for the floating market. So, we have a free water while waiting for our boat.
Quay mà, ta đi leo. Mà đi được không? Phía bên này.
Parang juice. So yummy. Nilalasa mo rin ba yung tubig pagka masarap o hindi? Ako din eh. Pero yung iba parang di naniniwala sa akin may lasa yung tubig. May water talaga hindi masarap, kahit sabihin mo mineral. So, we have this. Senyorita. Senyorita ba to? Kain na niya. Kapon ka.
You want for me? You want for me?
We have this in the Philippines. They call it senyorita.
Oh.
235第二船。When you are in the boat, you sit down, no dancing,
Okay.
no standing, but you cannot
But,
singing.
but can we jump?
No, you cannot jump because you not like jacket. Okay, when you are in the boat, sit at the center and your hands must be inside the boat, not outside. Because this area, the waterway, there are a lot of crocodiles. They like to eat human hands. So must
So no jump.
Yeah, I'm serious. Because if you no hand go back home, my company cannot arrange any fake hand for you. Save your genuine hand back.
Understood.
No. The boat is very close, can cut your hand.
Okay.
That's why, okay?
We're going to ride a boat na. It's from Cook. So guys, we're gonna ride the boat there. It's too slow. It's too low. Oh, Jack, I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Oh, hi. You're being
Hi, wait.
vlogging.
Hi, meet Jack.
Jack.
Okay, Jack, where are you from?
I'm from Singapore.
Yeah, are you traveling alone?
Yeah, I'm traveling alone by myself. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, how many countries have you been to?
Wow. I lost count. I've been to Asia, Europe, the US. Yeah. More than, I did more than 20 or 30 countries.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite country?
Wow. I really like Japan, I think, because Japan is very a very clean and very peaceful place. People are very friendly and polite. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh wow. The motor is so loud.
นั่งแบบกี้ก็ได้ป๋าสบายๆป๋าเลย
Tapos na kami sa aming boat ride. Then, paglalakad-lakad lang kami dito para mag-lunch. Beso, parang evil eye. Parang evil eye. Yan, paglalakad-lakad lang kami dito para mag-shop. Look. Yan. Yeah. You can go around. So you can buy something here after the boat ride. And also you can have lunch here na. At kami ay magla-lunch na rin dito. Oh, look, oh, it's only 40 baht. The Thai milk tea, but in the railway is 80 baht.
Oh.
It's much
Better.
better. Yeah. It tastes better. The cheaper one. Galakad na kami. Kasama namin si Jack. Kasama namin siya sa tour. So, nakita nyo kanina, di ba, in-interview ko siya. Walang magawa. So, ayun, naghanap kami ng lunch. So, pwede na tayo dito. You want to eat here? This is the... Jack! This is the coconut pancake. Jack is looking for this one, the coconut pancake. He wants to try it.
I'm gonna buy this after lunch.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's eat first.
later.
Yung tour guide namin, tinatawag kami based sa country namin. So si Jack, tatawagin niya Singapore. O kami, Philippines. Mabuhay, mabuhay, where are you?
Sit down, please. This is the best noodle.
So we're going to eat the boat noodles. Recommended to ng tour guide namin. So ita-try din namin. It's only 60 baht.
Which one?
Per order.
That one order menu one. Make for you.
Tom yum.
Tom yum. Number
Is it
4.
spicy?
No, nothing spicy. This is spicy because you put by your own. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
If you want spicy, you put that.
I want tom yum.
Four. How about you? Singapore menu.
Tom yum noodles. This resto is already 100 years. 100 years ba? Yeah, 100 years na siya nag-run. And pasa-pasa na lang sa mga next generation, ganyan. Kaya, must try ito guys, after ng tour. After ng boat ride. And then, magbo-boat noodles ka. Pag wala na kayong magawa sa Bangkok, mag-floating market tour kayo. Okay naman siya. Worth it naman. Saka parang ang cute doon banda sa may market. Yung nagsisiksika na lahat ng boat. Tapos may mga nagtitinda dito sa gilid. Tapos may mga dadaan din dito sa gilid. Okay din siya for experience. Ang saya. So, here's my boat noodles.
Yeah. Oh.
So good. Let's try the soup first. Sarap. Yummy.
Sour. That's good.
Tastes like tom yum, but with noodles. But ito, not too spicy. And the soup is super rich. Ang sarap.
Mine is spicy.
Where's yours? Mine I'm gonna make it the rest.
Chili flakes are strong.
And let's try the noodles.
Oh, and pickle. That was made like a wine? That's wine.
Yeah.
It's kind of like it tastes wine, but it's sweet.
Yeah.
Definitely is a wine.
Have you tried?
Okay, is there any specific like running, cycling? Okay, like whether are you in the right position, the best aerodynamic? Yes, I know that. Yes, I work with Traffic. You work with? I work with Traffic. What's that?
This one is really good.
Okay, so swimming, running, cycling.
Sarap na to.
Cycling.
Try nyo to. Pag pinapunta rin kayo ng tour guide nyo dito. Yung number 4 bilhin nyo, yung tom yum noodles. Parang malapit na siya sa pho. Pero magkaiba sila. Alam mo yun, ganun feeling. So guys, we are now here in our third destination. 40 minutes away to sa floating market. And ito ang Prapatom, 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 Prapatom in the whole world. The whole world. Yeah, parang yung pinaka-top daw niya na Inspire, up to 120.35 meters. And then, yung base niya, yung parang bell type, parang bell yung style niya sa baba. Like mga 235 meters, 235.50 meters yung circumference, no? Diba, super big niya. Bali guys, itong tour package na to is binuklan din namin sa Klook for 2,700 per person. Included na doon yung mga entrance fee, yung van service, tapos yung mga tours like floating market, railway market, tapos itong Frafatom Chedi, tapos later yung After the Rain Cafe and Bubble in the Forest. Sa After the Rain Cafe, tsaka sa Bubble in the Forest, may libre ng, included na rin yung isang drinks doon. Isang drink sa After the Rain and isang drink sa Bubble in the Forest. Ayun. So, sulit na rin siya. Kasama na rin mga entrance fee. Wala na kayong intindihan. Parang pagkain na lang. Then, yung kinain lang namin kanina is 60 baht. Sa may, yung boat noodles, yung pagbaba namin ng floating market. Ayun lang. So guys, nandito kami sa After the Rain. Papasok na kami sa loob.
Photo later.
Below na. Order ng food.
Yun na lang sa ano.
So everyone, you can see how we row the boat. Very cutesy.
Very demure.
Very mindful.
Nakakapagod. This is so tiring.
I want to go back. Ang hirap. Hindi na nakaka-aesthetic, guys.
Expectation versus reality. Alam mo, ganda nung may pa-Pinterest tag pa ako dito eh.
Alam mo yung dapat saglit lang kami dito sa area na to. Pero pinilit namin kasi sabi namin, kailangan namin mag-boat kasi aesthetic. Girl, nakakapagod. Pawis sa kilikili ko.
Ako din. Tapos wala naman ako magandang picture dito.
Kaya nga, parang nag-pause lang yung kilikili ko dito. It's not like a boat. It look like a kayak. Kala ko yung boat na to, may motor. Ikaw pa pala magpapadel. Yay!
Expectations horrible.
It's so fun! You must try it, guys.
Blah blah blah. But it's not good at all. It's a fucking hardcore.
Ganun namin. Ang akala ko talaga may magpapadal para sa atin.
Bakit na pagod kami?
Pawis na yung kilikili ko.
Wala pa ako magandang video. Picture mo nga ako. Ba yun?
Paano? Hindi naman yung natin. Uy, gago, babangga.
No.
Tangin na tumatawa pa ng maayos dito kasi tingnan mo na magkakabanggahan kayo.
Oh my God.
Alam mo, nakapaddle ka nga ng maayos pero basag yung mukha mo.
We're sweating a lot, Jack.
Okay, you just have a drink. You need to explain
I'm the one who's doing the workout here.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Keep going.
Keep going,
Yeah.
good.
Don't get all the credits, huh?
Don't.
So guys, we're here on our last destination, all in the forest. So nice here. Look. So guys, I'm gonna show you the bubble in the forest. It's ganda dito.
And for other ones, this one serves rice.
Dapat mga at least. Hi everyone, good morning. This is our day 4. Ngayon is already 6:18 a.m. And 6:18 a.m. and magche-check out na tayo kasi may pupuntahan tayong another destination. At alam niyo na ba kung ano? Siyempre alam niyo na kasi sinabi ko na ito nung una pa lang and paulit-ulit ako. We are now going to Siem Reap. And magbabas tayo from here sa Bangkok going to Siem Reap, Cambodia for 8 to 9 hours. So, doon na lang ako babae matulog. Ang oras talaga ng alis is 8 a.m. Pero kasi, kailangan nandun ka na ng 60 minutes before. Kaya maaga ako kasi nga, check out pa ako. Then, baka kumain muna ako ng breakfast. Tapos, biyahe na tayo papunta dun sa Khao San Travel Mart. Dun nga pala yung office nila. Then, dun na rin kami pipick upin ng bus. Let's go. And, update ko na lang kayo later. Bye! So guys, kararating ko lang. And nabigay ko na yung passport ko sa kanila. Tapos pinapasayin lang ako nitong arrival card. Para sa Cambodia. Lalagay nyo lang dito yung ano nyo. Yung name, surname. And then, name, passport number, birthday. Yun lang. Kasi wala man tayong visa sa Siem Reap. Kaya wala tayo masyadong. Pawis na pawis ako. Kasi umalis ako ang aga ko umalis, diba? Mali pala yung napin ko. Khao San Travel Mart. Dapat pala Bangkok Travel Mart. So, ito yung pawis ko. Diba? Laban lang. Tapos ayan, meron siyang luggage ticket and complimentary food nyo. Kukunin nyo siya later. Yung complimentary food nyo. Ang pinili ko is fried rice. So, ito, ilalagay nyo naman sa luggage nyo. Ayun lang. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano mag-book. Bye!